We're helping people to sleep and to give them a better life. ResMed makes medical devices to treat sleep apnea, and we distribute products around the world. The challenge is how we manage our long-term planning systems. The turning point was really the need to move off demand, and the preference is demand cloud solution, which will help us to evolve that solution, not just in terms of the system, but in terms of the processes and the way ResMed operates to support our supply chain. Customer service is everything. The customer has high expectations. For ResMed, it's the need to be able to have products where they're needed, when they're needed, to manage our inventory, to have our manufacturing be able to communicate back to our suppliers and ensure that they know what we want, that they can deliver what we want. From a financial point of view, whether we're investing in the right equipment, the right assets at the right time to bring them online, these tools help us making sure that we're investing in the resources that we need to support the business that we need to run. The cloud system let us do our long-term planning in large time buckets. We can do our planning processes in product families instead of products. We can basically aggregate all that up and look at planning from a much higher position and filter out a lot of the noise which exists in our planning systems and make more informed and educated decisions. At the end of the day, it's all about giving the customer what they want, when they want.